Not the right one? Nope. Alright, let's get some more footage. Oh! That was Oh, that is... We gotta watch that. Oh my god, let's do this. If you guys follow my dude Tristan Butcher, what TPs you don't know. Why are you like this? Okay. Still walking and then I can't even hear what's going on. Wait. I can't hear it. What's going on?
I've got the morning here, laddies! My name's...
What's his name? The cunt with the green hair.
Basically. What?
Hopefully, we can maybe like force start the game.
Oh! He's here. Oh.
He's having a great time, look at him.
Dude! Like, serious?
Laughing at my video, lads.
This is actually so funny. Okay, mate, I had his on back.
Having a great time, oh my god.
Did you die yet? That was from my cringy YouTube videos, I have to say.
See full screen, better quality.
Well, okay, I've just searched through Tristan's channel, past the various vlogs he has, and I've just found the YTP2. Yeah, boy.
This is the best one.
Hello guys, and
Jeez,
today we're
bad.
doing a little bit of the
That girl, yeah,
bingy bing
she bad.
and the bonga bong. We're having a bit of a rave, mate.
In this video, I will be showing you how to speed up your internet.
Really, dudes? Really? My internet's fine.
Steam, what other terrible games managed to get accepted? So today,
It's actually a
and
good
I know
game,
I'm gonna regret
though.
this, we're gonna
Good game,
go
lads.
and track down the weirdest and the worst games that should never,
Never see the light of day.
Kill him! Kill him!
There's some guy flying around, like where's he even going on at this point? There we go.
Well,
Quality
that
response
is
video.
the end of that, apparently.
Don't know what that comment means, but whatever.
It was pretty funny, I have
Pretty
to
funny.
say. It was fairly funny.
Fairly
I found
funny.
some of that really funny.
Nice.
To E3S, who asked me at school if Porky YT actually has throttled me yet. No, he hasn't. I know it's unfortunate for you, my dear, but no, he hasn't. That was from my cringy YouTube videos, I have to say.
Get down!
Anyway, I may well make a YTP on people, anyone you would like.
Yes.
So if you
Make one on me, please do it.
YTP, it may be really terrible, but hey.
Do it, make it.
If you'd like to make
What is this? Can't even hear him anymore, what's going on?
If you've also made a YTP,
There we go, that was it. I have no these recommended videos are. Well, I've never watched any of these channels before in my life, but whatever. Well, there we go. That's just what it is. There it is. James Holyhead YTP number 2. Wait, what? Oh, there's a dislike. Oh, who could that been?
I am the one. They ain't gonna find.
Right, I think everyone can hear me. Everyone can hear me? Right, let's go, boys. Right, so you might be wondering, how can I create an epic intro like this one that James Holyhead is right here? Got 3 examples of some that he's made himself, so let's take a look at them and let's see if we can make some ourselves. Now, as you can see, those were absolutely quality video intros. I mean, if you want to make one, you gotta be as professional as me. That's all I can really say. So first thing you want to do, right? Just scroll over. You want to get some footage, something to go behind your video, your intro, to make it stand out, make it different from the rest. So what I'm gonna do is just come and type in Holyhead in and see what comes up. Yeah, this video looks pretty good. It doesn't have to be a good quality video, you know. What quality is this in? 240p. I mean, that doesn't need to be good quality, as I've said. So what you want to do, I'm using HitFilm Express to edit my videos. I'm really good at editing software. I'd recommend it to everyone who wants to do some quality video editing. So what you're going to do is you're going to press New, hit Composite Shot, press OK, big man, and then you're going to want to import your video. I don't know where it's gone. Where is it? Right, so you're going to want to import your footage here, and then drag it into the composite shot, and then obviously it's at whatever 240p quality. So you're going to upscale it to about, I don't know, 500 or something. Let's get straight into adding the music. So for this intro, I'm going to be using some really loud music, because you're going to want to wake up your viewers, you're going to want to shake them up, you know, get them ready for the video. I'm going to be using this song right here. Probably got copyright, but you know, we're not going to make revenue off this, are we? No. And just make sure you save your videos as you're going along, because it's an easy mistake. Alright, so play it. I mean, that's a really good start. There we go. Just some guy, some policeman just handling some geezer. So now we need to get onto the text. Press New Layer, press Text. That should be good enough. And now you want to get your name of your YouTube channel or whatever you want in this text box right here. I'm going to put it as my name. Go over to the left hand side of your thing, bottom left I mean, whatever. Press Text. And then you can got loads of text options here. I'm going to upscale this to about 100. Nope. About 200. Nope. About 250. Nah, that's good. There we go. I'd say that's a nice generic font that we can use. So remember, save your videos as you're going along. If you don't do that, you're going to lose all your progress. And now you want to keyframe all of these by pressing the circle and the rotation if you want to do some bit of funky stuff. Now, for the first frame, you don't even want it in the screen, so let's just put it outside. And we're going to go for a style of kind of swiping in, nice clean look to it, as James Holyhead demonstrated in this video right here. And then, yep, let's just save that as we're going along. There we go, a nice line. Really nice smooth movement. And to increase how smooth it is, just highlight them and press the smooth keyframes. This will transform the, whatever they're called, Beziers. And if we just kind of go into the transform properties right here, and now let's have a look at it. Oh, what's that? Now, as you can see, let's just save the video, because if you like, yeah, you gotta save it. If you play it, that's a really nice smooth movement there. There we go, and then text should come in across the screen. And we have actually ruined that bit, so let's just turn this into a black text by going over here, clicking on black, and that doesn't work either. Save the video, gotta save it, don't forget that. As you can see, just playing it through, nice and smooth. And now we can also make a rotation if you would like. Make it rotate like this. As you can see, doesn't actually work. That's the wrong way. So what we're actually going to do is let's get an effect. So go to the effects panel, type in glow, and then drag neon glow effects. A nice red colour, I think James has it as, so let's just make it that. Nice. It is going to come in nice and visible, spin around, and then that's the end of the video. And while it's rendering, I'll just hop into the Discord because Harvey's there, I think. It's a really good introduction. If you want to use it for yourself, just please.
Please, just copy my video and upload it. My spine is losing some facial identity.
there you go. And now I'll show you the fully rendered thing afterwards, and yeah, hopefully you like it. Save the video, save it, remember, you gotta do that.
If it is, can't be scared of a kid. Me, I hit man with headlocks and I lick man with leg drops. Figure 4 leg drop, might hit man with a switching music. Load it up, no desktop. Run out the ends, informers get run out the ends. Next time man see him run here, same thing man I get run out again.
What up, cunt?
It was pretty funny, I have to say. It was fairly funny. I found some of that really funny.